Number 29. Which statement about human gametes is correct? So term gamete it refers to sex cells like sperms or eggs. Okay. And yeah, so since it says human gametes, I just refer to sperms and eggs. If it's plant gametes, then I would say the pollens and eggs inside the female part of the plant. However, it says human gametes, so I set up the sperms and eggs. Okay, so let's have a look at the options here. The female gamete has acrosome. No, it doesn't have an acrosome. Acrosome is the part of the sperm that dissolves the jelly coat of the egg. Female gamete is, of course, it is non-motile, meaning that it can't move. Sperms can move, but eggs can't. B, female gamete has a jelly coating and is motile. No, it's not motile. It does have jelly coating, but it's not motile. C, the male gamete has a flagellum and is non-motile. Yes, it does have flagellum or tail, but it is motile. So the answer should be D. The male gamete has an acrosome and is motile. Yes, it does have acrosome and is motile because it has a tail called flagellum. So the answer is D.